Hey everybody, here is a quick rundown of this example project for GraphQL, Node.js, Express, Apollo Server Express, and Mongo. So here it is in the Berserk Interactive organization on GitHub under GQL Mongo. Here is a quick README to clone it, install some of the changes, and then to see it running, you need to clone the repo and then do npm start. Then it will open. This is the root view from the Express generator, and to go to GraphQL, you just add GraphQL in there to get to the Explorer, and then here is the running GraphQL Explorer UI. And then we also have, I also made some tests in Postman. You can see down here below, this is in the same repo. You can run npm test and see all these tests run against the data. You need to make sure you have Mongo running at the same time, though. It does need Mongo running. And you can also import them into your Postman, and then you can run them here. And you can also run these as a collection. And you'll need to pick the environment GQL test, which I'll show you in the repo. And you can run these, and there's a bunch of tests for various things you can see in the repo. And then, as a quick walkthrough of the code, there are three main files that I altered from the original Express Generator project. The first one is the node dub file right here. You can see I've added in a bunch of stuff for Mongo. And here's where we connect to the collections, the post, the DB, get the resolvers, and remember the type defs right here and the resolvers right here are the bulk of the work to make this work in GraphQL and have these basic blog and comment posts run. And the Postman files, which I've added, are here under the Postman folder. You would just import this Postman collection and the environment file into Postman, and you can run it from there, or you can do npm tests from the command line. And the only other little odd thing different from the original Express Generator project is this little prepare function to just make the MongoDB object IDs a bit more usable. And so again, the main GraphQL stuff is the resolvers file right here and the type defs file. That's all. Thanks.